Okay, this experiment needs wooden sticks and balls of putty.
So what is the experiment?
They're going to build things with different shapes and test which shape works best.
Poke it in here.
They're using the sticky putty to hold their sticks together. That's clever.
And can you see the shapes they're using?
Squares, just like my tower. I hope theirs turns out better than mine.
Let's see.
Next, we're gonna move this on top.
Look, Iman and Hattie have made a tower out of squares. Now what are they doing?
They're building a second tower using different shapes.
Hey, they're adding sticks to join the corners together. Now it looks like triangles.
That's right, Zoom. And when they're finished building this tower, they're going to test both of them to see which one is stronger.
Oh, I can't wait to find out.
Time to test which is stronger. First, Iman is going to push down on the one built with squares.
This doesn't look good. The square tower has collapsed just like mine did.
This one is not that strong. It broke.
Now, Hattie is going to test the one built with triangles.
He's pushing very hard.
But see how this tower isn't collapsing? That's because the triangles spread the weight out more evenly than the squares.
Yes, even though Hattie is pushing down hard, the triangle tower is still standing.
So what does that tell you, Zoom?
If you want to build a tall tower, triangles are better than squares.
Correct.
Nice building, Iman and Hattie. Great tower, guys.
Thanks, Zoom. But let's see what happens when we give it a shake. Okay, Amy, are you ready?
I sure am, Mark. 3, 2, 1, go.
Uh-oh, it's wobbling.
Most tall buildings wobble, Zoom, but usually it's just because of the wind blowing up against them.
Why don't we make this a bit more interesting? Nobody likes a wobbly building, Zoom. It can make things move about too much, like the foam dice on top are doing.
Sometimes the ground itself can shake. That's called an earthquake, and it can make buildings wobble even more.
I don't think they're gonna stay up there. The tower is wobbling too much. Watch out! They're going to fall. Aw.
Okay, I think we need to make this tall building a bit less wobbly.
Yeah. How are you going to do that?
With this!
What is it?
It's a bar with weights on it, Zoom. I'm going to put it inside the tower. See how it can swing over and back like this?
Oh, yeah.
Now let's see what happens when we shake the tower.
Just 1 second. Okay, now I'm ready.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, wow! The tower is wobbling much less, even though the ground is shaking a lot. How's that happening?
When the tower goes in one direction, the weight goes in the opposite direction. That helps to balance out the movement and stop the tower from wobbling so much.
Lots of tall buildings have weights like these inside them. They're called dampers. And that's one way to stop tall buildings from wobbling.
Well then, I like dampers. Thanks, guys. I didn't need this after all.